What if a tiny sensor could detect a tap or vibration with just a simple touch? To detect taps and control an LED. Today in day 27 of our 37 sensors challenge, we're using a tap module with Arduino UNO. We need an Arduino UNO, a tap sensor module, an LED, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a USB power cable. Now let's look at the connections. Connect the VCC pin of the tap sensor module to 5 volts, GND to ground, and the signal pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. Then connect the positive terminal of an LED to digital pin 8 and the negative terminal to ground. Now comes the coding part. The reason we write Arduino code is because Arduino needs to continuously monitor the tap sensor and respond whenever a tap or vibration is detected. In the code, the tap sensor is connected to pin 2 and the LED is connected to pin 8 and upload the code. Now let's test it. Gently tap or touch the tap sensor module. The moment a tap is detected, the LED turns on briefly and the serial monitor displays the sensor state. Stop tapping and the LED turns off. This simple project demonstrates how vibration and tap sensing works and is commonly used in security systems, knock detection, smart devices, automation projects. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to sarkitedtech for more. Stay connected for day 28 of the 37 Sensors Challenge.